Okay, so here's a quick tutorial on taking the VARK online assessment. From your web browser, click the word VARK, V-A-R-K, learn.com. When you type this, it will take you to the VARK website. From the top of that web page, you'll see the word questionnaire and a pull-down menu. If you are a student athlete, select the student athlete questionnaire. If you're not a student athlete, you may choose the questionnaire for younger people. Once you click that, it'll take you to the actual assessment. Very important to note that you read the instructions carefully and answer the question. Make sure that you read the question and understand the question before answering it. Sometimes you have to go through a question and read it twice to make sure that you understand the question to begin with. After you read the question, you have typically 4 options to choose from. In some cases, you may want to choose more than one answer if that's how you feel is appropriate for the question. That's okay. I'm going through the questionnaire rather quickly, only to demonstrate to you how to get through the assessment. You, of course, will take a little bit longer in answering the questions because you're going to read them more carefully and respond appropriately. When you've completed all the questions, click on the OK button, and that will take you to a second page with your results. Notice as I scroll down, they have an option to choose to pay for your assessments. I'm not having you do that. I simply want your VARK results, and you will find them in this square white box. As you will see, you have the results or the tally for each of the VARK areas: visual, oral, read, write, and kinesthetic. Those are the scores that I would like you to submit for this assignment. Hopefully this has been helpful, and I wish you good luck on your assessment. Thank you.